How to make someone an admin on a Facebook page. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You are now on the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile at the top. Over here, tap on the three dots as shown. Now, tap on Page Status. Scroll down and go to Manage Admins. Here, tap on Add New beside people with Facebook access. Then, tap on Next below. Now you can search for and select people who should have access to this page. This way, you get more control on how you interact with Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily make someone an admin on a Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.